Crown might not be familiar to most Americans, but the nameplate has a long history stretching back decades in Japan. The Crown arrives in North America as a replacement for the Avalon, and its every bit is as spacious as the car it replaces, but now features a much more luxurious interior as well as a hybrid drivetrain that delivers both impressive fuel economy and serious performance numbers. Toyota Crown is built around a version of the Toyota New Global Architecture K TNGA-K platform that underpins some of the company's sedans and crossovers. It measures a length of 4,928mm, width of 1,839mm and stands 1,539mm tall with a wheelbase length of 2,850mm. It has a shorter wheelbase compared to the Avalon. The 2023 Toyota Crown blends together Toyota's latest design language with a fastback shape, as it has a modern, sporty design that incorporates some cues from the BZ4X, such as the front fascia. The Crown crossover has a raised stance with subtle body cladding all around. It features a sleek front fascia with sharp headlights that are connected by an LED lighting element. Lower down, the Fox grille and air dam are finished in gloss black. It has a distinct coupe-esque roofline which leads to a blacked-out, rugged-looking rear end with narrow LED taillights. In the Crown, you can see an evolution of the Avalon's interiors, and the layout will feel familiar to anyone trading in. But it is also much more technology-forward. There is a fully digital 12.3-inch gauge cluster joined together with a second 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, keeping everything close at hand for the driver. There is an available 11-speaker JBL premium audio system to go with this, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto can be used wirelessly while your phone sits on the standard key-compatible wireless smartphone charger. Heated front seats are standard, and there is the option to also have heated back seats and to upgrade the front seats to both heated and ventilated. The Crown is available in 3 different trims with 2 different hybrid drivetrains. For the XLE and Limited trims, there is a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine mated to 3 electric motors, making a combined total of 236 horsepower. Meanwhile, the Platinum trim has a 2.4-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine mated to an electric motor on the rear axle, good for 340 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard with both drivetrains, but only the XLE and Limited have a dedicated EV mode. Prices start at $39,950 for the base XLE model, $45,500 for Limited, and $52,350 for Platinum. All prices
can't believe how it all turned out.